Hi everyone, so I'm back with this little journal to share with you. Actually, it's not so little. It's a kind of shabby neutral. It's got quite a bit of lace in it as well, not overly laced up, but I've put more than normal in it. The journal is one signature. You can see how chunky it is here. It measures 8 by 4 3/4. It has one signature, 48 pages front and back, and there's lots of ephemera inside there. It's got like a double cover, and this also serves as a pocket. It's got a pocket in, 2 pockets in the back, 2 pockets in the front. This will be listed in my shop. The link for that will be below, and I'm going to do for today only, which is, I think it's the 30th of May. See, this month I do not know what date of the month it is, for May. We're in May, aren't we? Don't know why, but anyway, I've used an envelope here, so it's like a tuck. And then we've also got a pocket here. I've got a postcard in there. It's been backed onto some index card, and the lace is on there. On the back we have got another tag tucked in there. The paper here is from like on here is from MyPorchPrints, and it's Grandma's Attic. This is a freebie on my KoFi Shop. And then what have we got inside here? I have company today, sitting on the chair. I'm having to stand. The cat. She's decided to sit on my chair. I was hoping to get this video done last night, but I was on the phone to my aunt. She's going in for an operation tomorrow, so I thought I would talk to her last night. That's a freebie as well on my KoFi Shop. Thought I'd talk to her before, like, obviously not tonight because she needs an early night. This is a pocket, and you know what, I forgot to put something in there, but I will. This is from Artful Era Gallery. Got a little lacy piece here. We've got pieces from Tsunami Rose, and this is from MyPorchPrints. I can't remember the name of the kit, but if you need to know anything, just ask below. I've done a little scrappy booklet. I was inspired actually to do this by, who was it? My Passion for Paper, I think. Mary, I think her name is, no, I don't know what her name is. Anna, I don't know. I'm really bad. I will put a link below. This paper here is from MyPorchPrints as well. So is this, and I stitched that twice along there. And I'm just popping that in there. We've got a little tuck, a lacy pocket. This is from MyPorchPrints. Now, I've done a lot of stenciling, and I've done it with white acrylic paint, and I want to do a little video on that because I loved how this came out. As you can see on these tags, I've done stenciling on the cardstock there. We've got, this is vintage book page from the London Society book, which is like, over 100 years old. Got some lacy trim here. We've got a flip there. I've got to put bits in there as well. I forgot to do that. It's because I've got my Friday is my Thursday is now my Friday this week, because we normally have family dinner on a Friday night, but people are going on holiday, so we're having it tonight. So I'm going to put some like this, but a bit thinner, through all these tags. I don't know if you can see the stenciling. That was fun to do. Messy but fun. So I guess I forgot to do that with all of them. Little lacy piece there. This is from Ruby&Pearlxo. We have got, this is a freebie on my KoFi Shop. Go and check that out. And I believe this is from, oh, look at that stenciling. Can you see that? I'm seeing if I can see it on the camera. Love that. That came out really cool because the stencil actually had some, what do you call it? Distress ink on it. So when I was doing it with the white, it kind of transferred through, and it made it look like it's been shadowed or drawn around. So that is unique. So that won't happen again. Here I've used envelopes. I've got a video coming up soon. I'm going to show you all the things that I can do with some envelopes. Stenciling there. That's distress ink, and that is paint. Book page behind here. Little tag. That's a freebie on my KoFi Shop as well. Some, what do you call that stuff? Cheesecloth. Yeah, I'm going to do like, let's say 5 projects with envelopes. Some stenciling here. Not sure if you can see that. And book page. We have ephemera pieces. This is from the Artful Era Gallery. That's from my shop. That's from MyPorchPrints. And that's a lacy pocket. we've got some printouts. That's from Grandma's Attic. Got a lovely tag here again, done some stenciling. I was really enjoying that yesterday. Just the stencils out, the inks and the paints. It was fun. Some lace trim here, more stenciling there. It's really pretty, I think. Again, I'll put all these, I will put something on. This is from MyPorchPrints. That kind of looks like stenciling, doesn't it? And that's from Ruby&Pearl. That's the tag there. Done some stenciling here with this. This stencil was actually ARTYmaze made that stencil and sent it to me. Love that one. I haven't got my stencils out, which made me want to get my jelly plate out. I was like, oh, so I think maybe one day next week I'll have a little play one morning and play with that, the jelly prints, because I've got loads of stencils now, loads of paint, so why not? MyPorchPrints, it's the centre of the signature. This is MyPorchPrints. My fingers aren't working. Some stenciling there, and then that stencil there. See, that looks like it's been stenciled on as well, but that's actually on the print. That's just some really thick paper. I got a load of stuff from Lou, and there was lots and lots of paper in it, and one of the papers, it kind of feels like maybe slightly like artist paper of some sort. I could just be wrong, could just be thick paper, but it hasn't got a cover to it, but there's loads of it. So I used that, coffee dyed that, and there's some more stenciling. You can see that. So I'm just moving it around because for a change I'm videoing when it's light. It's actually like 4 o'clock. Little flip here. Again, I'll put something on there. Little pocket, some embossed paper there. Some ephemera pieces. Postcard from Tsunami Rose. That's from Artful. Whoa, Sirens. Don't normally hear that in my evening videos, do you? Another stenciled tag, and that goes in there. See, I forgot to put something in there. Oh, I'm really bad, aren't I, today? Right, I will add. Do you know what? There is a little, I'm trying to think where I put it now. There's a little collection of stuff that I paper clipped together. So that's it. It's all stuff in there. I will put all of that in a little envelope. I'm going to set it there, and I'll go through and make sure there's stuff in everything, and what's left I'll put in a little envelope and stuff inside this, and you'll get some extras as well. Postcard, and that's a freebie. That is from MyPorchPrints. This is from my shop. That's a freebie. Again, that's MyPorchPrints paper. There's a stenciling on that. There is on that side. Lacy trim, MyPorchPrints. Postcard from Tsunami Rose. Belly band, lace belly band, and inside there, what do we have? We've got a tag. See, I put something on that tag, but I think the rest of them I will probably put like that on. So that's all stenciled. I was having so much fun, can you tell? There's a lot of stenciling going on. There we go. See, days like that when I get like paints and stencils out, I feel like I'm ARTYmaze. I'm only joking. I feel like Andrea. I love Andrea's work. She's really, really good, and I'm no way comparing myself to her artiness. I was only joking when I said that. So yeah, don't get all that cheeky in the comment section and say, yeah, right. I was joking. That's a lovely piece. I think I sprayed that. That was from ages ago. I found that. In here, we've got another piece. Lacy pocket. This was that paper that I was telling you about. It's like really thick for a paper, and it coffee dyes really well, and it's a shame I don't know what it is because I don't know where I would get it from again. Stenciled tag, that's coffee dyed and stenciled. That goes in there. Lacy trim. This was just a little piece of paper that was left over, so actually I done it like this, right? So you just went like that, and you got somewhere to journal. So that goes in there like that. Stenciled, lace trim sewn on. All that malarkey, that goes on there. And that is obviously just a journal card. Some squared paper with the holes there. Some more stenciling. Another little pocket. We've got a postcard, and that's a freebie. Done some stenciling around that. Yeah, I haven't done as much stenciling in a while. Used to stencil a lot. I think I was overdoing it with the stencils. Little tag. I'll put something on that. Then here we've got another pocket with bits and pieces of ephemera. So yeah, oops, squished that. Squished it. So there we go. That is this journal, and that's been all coffee dyed as well. So yeah, it's a nice chunky little journal. It kind of looks more than 48 pages front and back, but there's just, I think it's because there's a lot in it, and there's a lot of thicker paper as well, and the lace, it all adds to the bulk of it all. And like I said, I'll go through all this bit and put in that pocket that there's nothing in. I'll sort that out, and then whatever's left there, and I'll have a look through my box of like scraps. I've got loads of them, and I'll see if there's anything else that goes with this journal, and I'll just put it in a little envelope. So I shall. So that is the journal. Hope you like it. If there's any questions, just ask. If you want to purchase this, free shipping, you will find the link, direct link to that below, and you can check out my freebies, my other digitals, and anything else that I've got on my KoFi shop. So have a great day, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.